Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to share with you step by step on how you can use the CRM module in Odoo and how the whole process works. So the first thing, in the moment when you are going to be in your CRM and you're going to come here to the sales on the top left, you're going to find here the customers. Here in your customers you can create a customer that on that customer you can create, let's say, a new lead. Now important thing to say is that you can also create a customer directly in lead. So you would click new here where you're going to add like a name, company or person, common employer, email, phone, street address, a VAT here, the contacts like the sales and purchases, accounting, and also like what do you actually have here for the customer. You're going to have also, let's say, an accounting module too. So now when you have it and you have for the sales, you're going to have like my pipeline here and I can click new here, right? So the contact is someone that I've like recently added. And you can have like the number and everything, and you can add also like the value here. Let's say it's going to be 800 euro, and I can click add here, and look at that. So now we got it. In the moment when you are going to open it, what you can find here is that you can have expected revenue. You have option to choose it to like qualified proposition 1, and what you can do, there are like two things now. You can log node here, or you can choose an activity primarily for the account. So here, when I would click activity, then I can have like to do or email. So summary, I don't know, meet them somewhere, and then due date, and then also I can click here save, right? And I can even have another activity call them tomorrow, and I can choose like this. I can click save, and now when I come here to activities, look at that. So I got like here, and I see that activities here, right? And what I can do, I can like edit, cancel, and I can like mark it done, right? And this is like the activity, the planned activities you can see right here. And same thing for the activities. I can, let's have it like this. And this is, for example, that I actually have in your activities and that you can like see here, right? So for your pipeline, what you can do also, then you can like move it. Let's say it's going to be proposition now. And I can click here. And then what I can do is that I can create a new quotation for it. So this is for the customer that we have, and let's say we're going to have a product, and this is something I've already added like office supplies, and let's say we're going to have quantity 28, right? And this is something that we got, right? Now what I can do is that I can send it if I would like. So okay, your quotation 172 is ready for review, and I can like send it now. If they would like confirm it, okay, they're like, okay, I'm fine with that. Then I can create invoice out of the quotation. So I would click here, create an invoice. And I can create a regular invoice, down payment, or like the fixed amount. So in the moment when I'm going to create a regular invoice, then right here, you can like see everything added from the customer invoice from the product. And I can click here, confirm. And now I can send it, I can print it, I can like click here, pay. So in the moment when I'm going to like preview it, let's say I'm going to click send here. So, okay, this is kind of like the invoice, or I can like preview it. Look at that, and they can like pay for it then, right? Or I can click here, pay, and I can like journal if someone like paid for it. So this is something that how it works. And now when I go to sales, I can see here my pipeline where I have that. Also, I'm going to have like my activities where you can have activities directly for the things that needs to be done. And you can have activities here. You can also, of course, like have an internal note for the client. And then you can have also the orders here next to the similar lead. And the orders, you can have like office supplies here, invoices, delivery, and this is something that you can also have here. So I hope this video provided a little bit of value. I want to make it like effective, quick, straightforward for you. Now then, of course, you can have like things like reporting here. and you're gonna have like forecast, the pipeline, and also like leads, activities. You're gonna have some configuration here, and of course you can like choose the view here on the top right. If you want to have a like calendar, list here, Kanban view, a chart view, graph, map, or based on activity. So that's pretty much it, guys. So thank you very much, guys, for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.